Welcome to day 57 of Learn to Lead in 100 Days. Don't lower your standards for anyone or anything. Self-respect is everything. Self-respect knows no consideration. Respect yourself and others will respect you. Self-respect is not imposed nor begged. It is earned and offered. Ego is false confidence. Self-respect is real confidence. Let's learn some ways to build self-respect. Number 1. Assertiveness. Recognize when someone disrespects you and take ways to stop them. A person with self-respect will not allow anyone to treat them badly nor associate himself with someone who is disrespectful others. You need to voice out stating, "You just disrespected me and it is not acceptable to me." Number 2. Self-acceptance. Get to know yourself. The more you understand yourself, you will be able to realize how unique you are. Be true to yourself, discover your values, personalities, and abilities. Stop being people pleasers and develop a character for yourself. Just because others say this is the way you have to behave, that doesn't mean that they are right. You need to have faith in yourself. Number 3. Spirituality. True self-respect brings inner peace. Spirituality nurtures that inner peace. The journey towards spirituality can be exciting and deeply satisfying experience. Number 4. Realistic. We are sensitive and it is hard to handle criticism. To maintain self-respect, you need to know how to handle criticism. Don't take criticism personally. See it from a detached perspective. Number 5. Respect others. If you don't have respect for others, how can you respect yourself? Never take the wrong approach of putting down others and feel better. When you see the good qualities in others, you will be able to see the good qualities in yourself. Hope this helps. Follow me for the next days. Learn to lead in 100 days. I'm your coach, Rosia Inkuti. Many dreams can be achieved when you cultivate the habit of learning. I'm on a learning challenge for 100 days under a title, Learn to Lead in 100 Days, where I will be sharing my knowledge for free. Subscribe to my channel to start your learning journey.